Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get Popcorn Time for free on iOS and Android devices. So guys, as you can see right here, I have Popcorn Time right beside my Netflix app on my home screen right here. There you go, there's the icon. And as you can see, it's the real site. It says, Popcorn Time features great free movies and TV shows, no restrictions, HD video, and an awesome catalogue of movies. So guys, all you want to do is hit download Popcorn Time, and it's going to redirect you to this website right here. So it is the Popcorn Time downloader. So download 2 apps to get Popcorn Time. So guys, let's just go ahead and download the first app. So guys, all you have to do is hit download, and then once the app downloads, all you have to do is run the app, open it for 30 seconds and just wait. So all you have to do is just open it for 30 seconds, and then once you do that, I will tell you what to do next. So guys, let's just sit here for 30 seconds. And by the way guys, make sure you go down and leave a like and subscribe to the channel as well with push notifications so you never miss a future video. Okay guys, so that's long enough for the first app. So all you want to do is go back to the website, this one right here, and download another app. It can be any app by the way guys, it doesn't have to be these 2 apps, it can be any app or any offer. Okay guys, so it's the same routine. Open the app and wait 30 seconds. You don't have to click anything, you can just sit in the app like this. Doesn't matter what you do at all, just as long as you sit on the app for roughly about 30 seconds. Okay guys, so that's roughly been long enough. So guys, once you do that process, you will come up, this app, Popcorn Time, right here, as you can see, will appear on your home screen or in your second tab or your third tab, how many tabs you have on your iPhone screen. As you can see, I have 4. So it appeared in this one for me. Sometimes it doesn't appear, but if it doesn't, all you have to do is go down, download 2 different apps, or else just reset your browsing history, delete those 2 apps and try it again. But most of the time it should work first try. If it doesn't work first try, just like I said, just try it again guys. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment down below #PopcornTime, and subscribe to the channel with push notifications. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.